Hello everyone, today we are going to make homemade chicken wontons with a tasty soup base. Start with 350 grams of boneless chicken thighs, cut them into small pieces and place them into a food processor till the texture is finely ground, but still has a little bit bite. And then soak 6 small dry shiitake mushrooms in hot water for about 15 minutes. Once they are soft, remove the stems, cut into smaller pieces, and place them in a food processor till they are finely chopped. And take a small piece of fresh ginger and cut into small pieces, and then put in the food processor till finely minced. And prepare 2 to 3 small shallots, peel and chop them, and pass till finely minced as well. And now slice the green onions. Use mostly the white parts for the filling and save the green tops for the soup garnish later. Here I want to mention, don't make the shallots and the green onions are too small because we'll sauté them later. If they are too small, they'll burn easily. And this is optional, and roughly chop some cilantro. We'll use it at the end for the soup. Once everything is prepared, add 5 tablespoons oil to the pan, and we are going to sauté the shallots and half of the green onions. Keep stirring over low heat till golden and brown. Then add 2 tablespoons soy sauce and half a teaspoon sugar. Just make sure save 1 tablespoon for the soup and use the rest in the filling. And just like this, the flavorful oil is done. Now let's use the same pan and sauté the shiitake mushroom. Keep stirring over low heat for a couple minutes till they are soft and fragrant. Now we are going to mix the chicken filling. Combine the ginger, sautéed mushroom, flavored oil, white pepper, the other half the green onions, 1 egg, salt, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, and mix them. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in the end. Keep mixing in the same direction without stopping till it becomes sticky and well combined. Now let's move on to the wrappers. Usually you see 2 kinds of wonton wrappers, Shanghai style and Hong Kong style. The only difference between those two is the Hong Kong style has a food color, so I prefer the Shanghai style one. And finally, we're going to wrap the wontons, wet the edges, place the filling in the center, and fold it into a triangle and press to seal. Then fold one bottom corner behind the filling, and then the other over the front to overlap. Pinch to seal, and we are done. There are many ways to wrap wontons, but this one is my favorite. It's simple and you can fit in plenty of filling. Usually I go with 1 teaspoon of filling, but feel free to use any wrapping style you like, whatever works best for you. Now we are going to make the soup base. 1 teaspoon of shallot oil we saved earlier, a little bit white pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, sesame oil, green onions, cilantro, and dried shrimp if you like, and a couple pieces of seaweed, and half a cup hot chicken broth. Now we are ready to cook the wontons. Bring 2 cups of chicken broth to a boil. I scooped out 1 big spoonful of chicken broth and added it to our soup base. Then we'll cook the wontons in the remaining broth. Once they float, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes till they fully done. Add a little bok choy at the end for extra vegetables if you like. And now add the cooked wontons to your bowl, and we are done. This wonton recipe is light and flavorful and comforting, perfect for when you want something tasty and warm. This recipe is also very convenient. You can freeze a big batch, and whenever you want something quick and warm, just cook them straight from the freezer. It only takes about 10 minutes. To freeze extra wontons, just place them on the tray, freeze till firm. Usually take about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then store them in a bag. Thank you for watching.